Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find phone number on Facebook. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Click on your avatar icon at the top right on your Apple ID. And I'm going to just click apps and I'm going to just start looking for the Facebook basically, right? And I'm going to double check if there is a newest update on Facebook. If there is, just go ahead and update it. And if there isn't, just move along to the next step. I'm going to just show you how it's done. And if you want to see a phone number or if you want to find a contact on Facebook, just normal standard way, just take their phone number and then search it on the search bar and then basically tap or filter the search to people so you can find the phone number on your Facebook or find your friend's phone or account on Facebook via phone number. So basically same as searching for a new friend or something like that. You're gonna be able to find the account of that person or who owns that phone number on Facebook via Facebook by searching on people, and you're gonna find, more likely you're gonna find the person that you wanted to search for. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.